Ever wonder why your home feels cluttered? Your storage choices might be the secret culprit. Today, we're diving deep into organization's biggest debate. Is vertical storage truly superior to horizontal setups? Many experts, like Peter Walsh, emphasize verticality. They promise more usable space and clearer surfaces. We will uncover the real benefits of each method. Let's find your perfect, ultimate organization strategy. Vertical storage expertly uses available wall space effectively. Think tall shelves, wall units, and drawer dividers.
Modular systems like Elfa offer adjustable, flexible verticality.
Method it can maximizes drawer double. This method keeps items visible and easily accessible. Method it can maximizes drawer double your storage capacity instantly. Verticality reduces clutter on valuable horizontal surfaces. Your floor space remains open and inviting. Horizontal storage simply spreads items across flat surfaces. Dressers, open tables, and wide, shallow drawers exemplify this. These horizontal setups are traditional, familiar, and often comforting. Underbed boxes provide excellent discrete, low-profile storage. Bookshelves can also be used horizontally for displays. This method offers broad, immediate visual access. Spreading items out prevents stacking damage and potential crushing. However, horizontal often consumes more prime real estate. Small apartments and tiny homes benefit hugely from vertical solutions. A wall-mounted pantry saves precious kitchen counter space. Consider vertical file sorters for home office documents. Horizontal is great for frequently accessed, bulky items. Think sweaters in a dresser or craft supplies in bins. Dr. Emily Smith's 2022 study highlighted space efficiency. Vertical storage saved average homes 30% more floor space, but horizontal options like large toy chests work well.
They offer quick, low-effort put-away for kids.
The optimal home uses both vertical and horizontal. Tall IKEA Kallax units combine both effectively. Utilize vertical space with cubbies, then horizontal drawers. Avoid common mistakes, like overstuffing horizontal dresser drawers. Don't forget to measure before buying vertical units. Ensure your walls can support mounted shelving weight. A thoughtful blend provides maximum flexibility and organization. Choosing between them depends on your specific needs. Vertical storage maximizes small living spaces dramatically. Horizontal offers easy access for certain items. Combine both for a truly efficient, organized home. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe for more deep dives.